So this is the kind of background to caffeine intake for my D1 basketball team. So caffeine, it's a well-known substance used to reduce fatigue and help someone feel more awake. It can be found in sports drinks, energy drinks, medications, foods. You most commonly hear about it in coffee. Some benefits of the use: enhanced endurance, cognitive function, so alertness and focus, mood, and reduction of fatigue. Some risks of the use: if there's excessive intake of it, it could lead to dehydration, anxiety, headache, an inability to sleep, and it can also be a risk to mood as well as a benefit. Some athletes that benefit: cyclers, middle distance runners, rowers, swimmers at a lower RPE, so more distance swimmers, distance or middle distance, due to caffeine showing improved endurance is a benefit, and it can be taken before, during, or after fatigue is present with beneficial results. That's from Burke in 2008. So from those sports that were mentioned, they're obviously endurance sports, as mentioned below, which they take over the long periods of time. Basketball-wise, there are bouts of sprinting, shuffling, and sometimes there are long bouts of kind of sequences where an athlete could benefit from caffeine intake. The NCAA guidelines on caffeine use: it is a banned substance, and if found in a drug test, so a urine sample, it would have to reach 15 micrograms, which in all reality is hard to reach unless the athlete would down a venti Starbucks drink and then add caffeine on top of that with a couple shots of espresso, things like that. So in all reality, it would be hard to reach. Recommendations for my athletes based on current research: I would say just be smart about it. Don't ingest in large amounts of caffeine before practices or games because of the health risks that could aspire from that, saying dehydration or the anxiety aspect of it. It will also cause your heart to race, which could be uncomfortable because of exercise increasing your heart rate already. And then, like I said, just consider it in moderation and only use it if needed.